How to hard reset a Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to fully reset your Samsung device back to its original factory settings on Android. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Following that, tap on Reset. Now, you'll see different reset options displayed. Moving forward, tap on Factory Data Reset. You'll see a warning message explaining what will be deleted. Afterwards, scroll down to review what data will be removed, like apps, photos, and contacts. Make sure you've backed up everything important before continuing. Tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation screen will appear asking you to verify. Tap on Delete to confirm the factory reset. Your phone will begin the reset process automatically. Wait for it to complete, as this may take a few minutes. Alternatively, if your phone is unresponsive and you can't access settings, press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. Hold both buttons for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Release all buttons and wait a moment. Now, press and hold the power button again to turn your phone back on. Once your phone restarts, it will begin the setup process from scratch. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you hard reset your Samsung phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.